What's good, guys? Long time no seen. So yeah, I'm about to show you today how you can add reviews to your product page if you use Shopify the easiest way possible. Okay, what you're going to use is Loox Reviews app. It's probably the best app when it comes to quality as well as the simplicity of use. So first thing we're going to do is obviously go into app section in Shopify and then to Shopify app market. I believe it's called that way, but I'm just going to click on customize your store, and right now I'm just going to search for Loox. Okay, I've been searching for that already, so yeah, I'm just going to click on Loox, add the app. Okay, right now I'm just going to go for install app, obviously, and we are redirected to choose our plan we're going to use. I'm going to go for the growth one. I'm not an affiliate, I just like to use that one because with basic one you can use it. It's your choice, but you will be limited to like 20 reviews per one product on Aliexpress, which isn't bad, but I don't want to have any limits when it comes to that, so I'm just going to go for growth plan and start the 14-day free trial here. Approve. Okay, so once we are here on the dashboard, we're going to go for import the reviews, and that's probably the thing you came here for. So I'm going to click on explore. I believe it's that way in English. It's in Polish, so sorry about that. I guess I can't change languages on my Google Chrome, but whatever. I believe you'll be able to figure it out. So actually that's not the one. Yeah, we're just going to copy the address of the link. I don't know why I wanted to do the explore part, but whatever. Hope you don't mind. So right now I'm going to go for add this card to your tab, I believe. So yeah, once we are here, I'm going to go for more. You can change the name of it, but I leave just Shopify. And remember, we copied the link of the button, this one. I'm just going to paste it right here, save it, and right now I'm going to go for the product on Aliexpress I want to get the reviews from. Okay, so we have this product, and right now I'm going to go for tabs, and as you can see we got the Shopify link here, and I can choose 100 reviews. Okay, so let's choose this one. Let's add 5 stars only. I'm going to choose all countries here, and yeah, just preview and import. And as you can see, this product don't have any reviews. I should actually figured it out, but yeah, so I don't know, let's choose this one. It's pretty similar. Okay, so we're going to try once again. This actually have 7 reviews, so I believe we'll be able to add some. So yeah, let's choose this one once again, 5 stars only, preview and import. And this one don't have any pictures, I believe, but either way I'm going to import some of those. Bad packaging, see if your wrinkles go away over time. It's not the one I want to add, I guess. It gets the effect. Buzz is very thin, it gets there is so fast. It's actually not not the positive one as well. Many thanks, perfect. I don't know, man. I don't know. Those reviews aren't the ones I'm looking for. So let's try this product once again. And you should probably already know how to do it. So I'm not going to prolong this video anymore. So yeah, if the tutorial was actually helpful, you can give me a like, subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next. Peace.